My name's Jessica, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Boy, that's a look, huh? Not as much as a look as yesterday's video was, but go check that one out. So, I kind of have a plan of what I want to do today, but we'll see how that goes. I don't know, I feel really inspired by this lime green and this pink that I have from Colourpop, so I want to use those two. But I'm going to back it up with the Beige Cosmetics Color Festival palette. I'm going to start with my fluffy brush from Wish and go into Haze. Now, I know I wasn't thrilled with that color last time, but I'll give it another shot. You know what, let me try my dollar store brush and go into the same color. See if I can get any more. Ooh yeah, that's better. I do have a pressed pigment from Colourpop, a new one that's like a lime green, but like that one's more green than yellow. Like, you know, on the spectrum of lime green, this one's more yellow, that one's more green. And the shimmer that I want to put is more yellow, so I think this will go better. Next I'm going to go in my Beige Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it. It's not even funny how many brushes I have and I use like the same 5. But I'm going to go into Sequins. This is one I used before as well. Let's see. So the lime is kind of my transition. And this is my crease color. How's everybody doing? I see I have some new subscribers. Hi! And some more views on my videos since I shared them a little more. That looks pretty good. I do want it a little more intense though, so I'm going in with my Ivy crease brush back into Sequins and try to hit really deep into my crease. I'm going to go back in with the Beige Cosmetics brush and just try to blend it a little more. I don't know if you can hear my dad's music playing in the background. Some good old 50s and 60s fun stuff. Now, which one is this again? Deja Vu. Okay. I'm going to go in with my finger. Looks like it's going to need a little help. It's not as bright as I want it to be. But I've used this before, I should have known that. Now the color I haven't used before, Solstice with the Mostest. Where does Colourpop come up with these things? So, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a hot pink with blue glitter in it. So I'm going to go in with my pinky. Go in maybe with my outer third. Cool. And then I'm just going to go in a little more with the Deja Vu. Blend the two together the best that I can. Then what I want to do is I want to try the NYX Glitter Goals eyeliner in Zodiac Queen. It's like a gold chartreuse kind of color. I don't know if you can tell. It definitely, it's very gold, but it has like a slight green tinge to it. So I think I'm just gonna, should I try like a little glitter wing type of thing? Why not? Here comes the tricky part. That looks cool. I forgot a brow bone highlight. I'm gonna go into here and use Disco with my dollar store brush. Oops. And put some more. Why not? Every day can be a festival. I don't really know if I want to do anything on the lower lash line. No, I guess we'll try it out. So I'm going to use this little brush I have from Wish. I'm going to start by going into Solstice with the Mostest. Very carefully. And then I'm going to go into Deja Vu. I don't really care for pink and like yellow tones on the lower lash line, but oh well. Next time I think I would just leave the top. Also, it's very tempting to put that glitter down here, but knowing myself, I'm going to poke my eye out and irritate it, and then it won't look pretty anymore. Why stop here? I think I'm going to use the Avon True Color Glimmersticks Diamonds Eyeliner in Olive on my waterline. Or attempt to. It may not want to stick. Like the Avon eyeliners are hit and miss when it comes to this. Nah, didn't really want to go. Should have quit while I was ahead. Alright, so yeah, I got a little creative today. Kind of like it. So that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is that you're doing. Bye. See you next time.